Well, this is lesson 27 or day 27, add and subtract complex numbers. This is the lesson for Tuesday. We've talked about how to simplify negative radicals. So, for example, we used to have square root of 9. We know that the square root of 9 is just 3, or we could say it's also negative 3. There are two square roots of 9. Right? But what happens when we have the negative square root of 9? Well, we would say back in Algebra 1 that there's no real solution, because there really isn't a real solution, but we know that now about imaginary numbers, so we could use I squared to represent the negative sign. That's I squared. 9 is just 9. So now we know that the square root of I squared is I. Square root of 9 is square root of 9 is 3. So that's 3i's are imaginary number, and we could write that as a complex number as 0 plus 3i. Okay. So today we're going to be looking at using that and then combining like terms, using adding and subtracting. Very easy, straightforward. Here are the steps. If you're on the video, please pause it and write these steps down. Okay. Here's numbers 1 and 2. Let me show you how to do numbers 1 and 2. So just watch right now. You could see that these two numbers being added together, this one and this one, these are both complex numbers. They're being added together. So remember, a complex number has a real part. So this is a real part, right? And then it has the imaginary part. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to add. So we got negative 16 plus a negative 1 is going to be negative 17. Okay, we got negative 6i plus positive 11i is positive 5i. And that's it. That's number 1. Super easy. What did I just do? I just combined the real parts together, you see, with the plus sign. Okay? And then I took both of the imaginary parts, put those together, because we have to add them. That's it. Watch me do number 2 now. Two complex numbers. We have this number, and we're subtracting them this time. So here we go. We got negative 5 minus a negative 4 is negative 1. Negative 11i minus positive 7i is positive 4i. That's it. Super easy. So pause the video here and write these down. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have negative 11 minus 13i plus 3 plus 8i. Why don't you try this one on your own? The first thing I would do just to get started is just combine these. So negative 11 plus 3i. Okay, so let's pause the video. Do this one on your own. Okay, so you should have paused it. So when we combine these terms, you should have had negative 8. And then negative 13 plus positive 8 is going to be negative 5i. Okay. Continuing on, number 4. We got 10i minus 14i minus 8 minus 4i. Let's see if you could do this one on your own. Please pause the video here and try it on your own. Okay, so you should have paused the video. And here we go. So I want to combine my real numbers first. This is an imaginary, this is imaginary, and this is imaginary. We don't want to deal with that. I want to combine just the real numbers. So we have a negative 8 here. The problem with a negative 8 is that it has a negative sign in front of it, so it's going to become a positive 8. Okay? And then 10i minus 14i minus 4i is 0i, right? If you think about it, what's 10 minus 14? Negative 4. And then negative 4 minus a negative 4i is going to be 0i. So when there's no imaginary numbers, we just are left with a real number, which is just 8. So it's not complex anymore, it's just a real number. Okay? Continuing on number 5. Let's see, try this one out. Actually, try both of them out. Pause the video and try both of these out. I will show you the answers in a moment. Okay, so you should have paused the video and tried these out. Here we go. Here are the answers. So First one is 33 minus 4i, next one is negative 1, 1 minus 17i. Okay? So that concludes the lesson, but we're not done yet. I need you to practice a little bit, so before you move on to practice, think about these questions. Let's just think about the first and second question, okay? What do we learn? How do we do that? That way, you're thinking about like, oh, okay, I learned how to add and subtract imaginary numbers. So it's important for us to think about what we did and how we do that. It's really important for your memory. Okay? And here's some practice. Don't worry about number 8. You're good. So numbers 1 through 8, try those out. Pause the video. Okay? And here are the answers. So you should have paused the video before looking at these answers. So anyways, that concludes today's lesson.